وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا. We have enjoined on the human being, insan, بِوَالِدَيْهِ, treat your parents with excellence. This verse, they say, it was revealed because of Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas. Are you all ready? Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas, right? He was in Mecca, the only child, very well known, very loved. Mother, only that baby. He loves her and she loves him. Imagine, only one child. He became a Muslim. She went crazy. And he really loves her. Because how did she tested him? She said, I am not gonna eat or drink, and you will see me dying till you get back out of this craziness of yours. He looked at her and said, Ya Allah, may Allah forgive me and you. Nobody said this to me and you. No mother came to you and says, you stop praying or otherwise I'll kill myself. He said, Wallahi ya ummi, by Allah, mom, you know how much I love you. If you had 100 souls and I see each one of them leaving, he saw her actually 3 days, she didn't eat and drink, so she literally was fainting. Look at the faith. And he said, Wallahi, if I see 100 times what I am seeing, I am not gonna change. Still, Allah told him, treat her well. وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا. Treat them well. If they treat you bad, is not an excuse that we treat them bad. This is only for two parents, by the way. Everybody else, if they treat you bad, you have the option of responding the same way, except parents.